hope you all are doing great. The topic of the video is what are the top most nutritional pizza toppings. Many people automatically consider pizza one of the top foods to avoid on a fat loss or healthy diet program. However, if you learn to make healthy topping choices, this doesn't have to be the case. So here are the top 7 best nutritional pizza toppings that you should consider. Number 6 is Parmesan cheese. It's a great alternative to regular cheese. It's higher in protein and lower in fat, plus Parmesan cheese will offer a boost in calcium as well. Number 5 is extra tomato sauce. To add more flavor to your pizza, add extra tomato sauce. It's rich source of lycopene and may help prevent cancers of the lungs and stomach. At only 79 calories per cup, it supports your goals of getting lean. Number 4 is garlic. Crushed garlic will also add a high dose of flavor to your pizza without providing significant calories, as half an ounce is just 21 calories total. Crushed garlic will provide the nutritional benefits of promoting good cholesterol levels and helping to decrease the risk of heart disease. Number 3 is mushrooms. Another smart toppings to add to your pizza to boost its nutrition and flavor are mushrooms. These contain just 15 calories per cup and 2.2 grams of protein. Number 2 is broccoli. Known to be one of the most nutritional vegetables, tossing broccoli on your pizza is a wise move. Broccoli is loaded with vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin A and folate, along with many other minerals and vitamins. Number 1 is spinach. Finally, the number 1 most nutritional pizza topping is spinach, packing a powerful nutritional punch. One of the nutrients found in highest concentrations in spinach is vitamin K, which is important for making sure the blood clots effectively. In addition to this, spinach contains over 13 different flavonoid compounds that work to help prevent the occurrence of cancer. So don't avoid pizza any longer. Just start making nutritional pizza topping choices that will help make this dish a part of your usual diet. That's it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if this is the first time you are visiting my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and make sure to click on the bell icon.